So, good day everyone. I am assigned to answer the question number 18 in midterm exam. So, the question is, you have to replace 1,500 ohms resistor in a radio. You have no 1,500 resistor but have several 1,000 ohms ones which you would connect. So, choices are A, 2 in parallel, B, 3 in parallel, C, 3 in series, and D, 2 in parallel and 1 in series. So we all know in the equivalent resistance formula of parallel is 1 over R equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 and so on. And the equivalent resistance in series is R total equals to R1 plus R2 and so on. Now, let's solve for letter A. So, A is 2 in parallel. So, as we discussed earlier, the formula, I will write it again. 1 over R equals to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. And 1 over so on. So, we plug in the assigned ohms and the formula. So R1 will be 1000 plus R2 will be 1000 also, and we will get our calculator. We will plug in the numbers. From this, I am using the Caltech using shift solve. So the answer is 500 ohms, which is not enough for 1500 ohm resistor replacement. Now let's try to answer letter B, 3 in parallel. So we will write again the formula. 1 over R, 1 over 1000 plus 1 over 1000 plus 1 over 1000. So we will try to count again. Again, I'm using the shift solve for it to be simple. So the answer is 333.33 ohms. So again, it is not enough for the replacement of 1500 ohms. So the answer is not B. So now we will try to solve letter C. So the formula for letter C is just simple. You will add all the 100 ohms because it is in series. So here is the formula for that. R1 plus R2 and so on. So plug in the ohms. 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. No need to use calculator for that. So the answer is 3000 ohms. So it would work, but the said replacement is only the half of the answer for this. So letter C is not the answer. So now we will try to solve for letter D. Letter D is 2 in parallel and 1 in series. Again, just like letter A, we will add the said ohms. So 1 over 1000 plus 1 over 1000. As we all know that this kind of gun, we all already have the answer from letter A. It is 500 ohms. So now we will try to add it in series. So in series we have R total, R1 plus R2, and so on. Now we will add it. We will add the 500 and 1000 in series. So R total equals the R1, which is the 500. So 500 and plus R2, which is the 1000. So the answer is 1500 ohms, which satisfies the replacement in the resistor of in the radio. So that's all. The answer is letter D.